Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, friends. Today we are taking a detailed look at the Samsung Galaxy A08, a budget smartphone that focuses on reliability, clean design, and everyday performance. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A08 looks modern and simple. The back panel has a clean finish, and the phone feels comfortable in the hand. Samsung has kept the design minimal, which makes the A08 look premium for its price segment. On the front, the Samsung Galaxy A08 features a large display that is perfect for watching videos, scrolling social media, and browsing the web. The screen offers good brightness and colors for daily use, making it suitable for students and normal users. Talking about performance, the Samsung Galaxy A08 handles daily tasks smoothly. Apps like WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook run without issues. Samsung's One UI optimization helps the phone feel smooth and stable during regular usage. The camera setup on the Samsung Galaxy A08 is designed for everyday photography. In good lighting conditions, photos come out clear and natural. For video calls and selfies, the front camera performs well for this budget category. Battery life is another strong point of the Samsung Galaxy A08. With normal usage, the phone easily lasts a full day, making it reliable for users who need long battery backup. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A08 is a solid budget smartphone for users who want Samsung branding, clean software, and dependable performance. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro, and share your thoughts in the comments.